Hello, my friend. Today we are going to talk about Formula One, the sport we love, and we will also learn some English words that you hear during a race. First, the start of the race. We say lights out and away we go. This means the red lights turn off and the cars begin. It is the most exciting moment. During the race, drivers try to overtake. To overtake means to pass another car. Sometimes they use the DRS, or drag reduction system. With DRS, the car goes faster on the straight line. Another important word is pit stop. A pit stop is when the car goes to the team to change tires. Sometimes it takes only 2 or 3 seconds. If the stop is slow, the driver can lose positions. We also hear about pole position. Pole position is the first place on the grid. The driver who is fastest in qualifying. Starting from pole is always a big advantage. And don't forget the safety car. When there is an accident, the safety car comes to slow down the race and protect the drivers. At the end, the driver who finishes first is the race winner. But in Formula One, every race gives points. The driver with the most points after all the races is the world champion. So, let's review the key words. Lights out and away we go. Start of the race overtake. Pass another car, DRS, system to go faster. Pit stop, stop to change tires. Pole position, first place on the grid. Safety car, car that controls the race in danger. Race winner, driver who finishes first world champion. The best driver of the year. Formula One is not only fast, it is full of special words and emotions. Now next time you watch a race in English, you will understand more. Sound of cars passing fast. Fade out. See you at the next Grand Prix.